The history of farming in Hawaii is really fascinating. Pre-contact Hawaii, the Hawaiians fed themselves a diet of taro and sweet potatoes and bananas. It's pretty incredible. And then, along comes industrial agriculture, and we grew, pineapple and sugar for 150 years. Those two crops have largely left Hawaii, and now we're trying to bring on a diversified agricultural economy.
Agriculture and local agriculture is super important in Hawaii. Our mission is to grow food and to grow young people. Mala Organic Farms is a social enterprise, nonprofit organization. We send young people to go to community college, and then they actually come to work here on the farm.
Mala Organic Farms is in this beautiful valley, Lualole Valley, so we get a lot of sun, only about 20 inches of rain a year. We're a certified organic farm located out here in Wai'anae, which is on the island of Oahu on the west side, and we farm 281 acres. We started with one small John Deere 5310, and we ran it, we flogged it, and then really recently we bought a lot more equipment to do a lot more things.
It's all about growth. If a John Deere tractor and a tiller can help us do that, let's do it, but let's continuously make sure that we aloha aina, so we cover crop, we're putting organic matter back into the soil and not just always extracting.
Doing business was about building relationships. Well, aloha in the Hawaiian language is paramount to everything. The relationship we have with Papé is really analogous to that. They're really like Ohana, they're our community, they're our family. Not only are they faithful to our mission and what they do, but it's also just easier to work with them. Yeah?
Papé has been a great partner and a great co-producer. This one brother that we work with, David Sarai, he's been a champion for us because he has family in this community. He grew up in this community, so he understands, the struggles and the challenges that a lot of our young people and even our staff have.
It feels like, to me at least, we're growing together. We're looking forward to a relationship with Papé where we get the best equipment, we get the best technical assistance, but we're really looking to grow and align ourselves to them understanding our mission. Not a lot of for-profits want to understand those things about what we do, but it's the very essence of everything that we've got going for us. And so the next 15, 20, 30 years, with this alignment in place, the growth we can have is going to be really good for the community. And doing that in partnership and doing it in collaboration, and in the long run builds that sense of community spirit and builds that sense of Ohana.